The Hillsborough County School District is holding an emergency COVID meeting today to talk about how to stop COVID from spreading in schools.
Yeah, doctors are calling it a wake-up call for those who have waited to get their vaccines and wear masks, and they say children are the ones suffering. Marco Villarreal joining us live this morning in Tampa with more on all of this. Good morning, Marco.
Hi, good morning, Chris and Avery. Just 1 week. A little over 1 week since school began, and already 1,100 kids have tested positive for COVID-19 in Hillsborough County School District. And doctors say there's really two factors for that number being so high.
There's no way that there could not have been a series of outbreaks in schools if kids were going back in the midst of the Delta variant surge without wearing masks.
Dr. Juan Dumois, pediatric infectious diseases physician at Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital, says the Delta variant is more contagious than the original strain of coronavirus. He says it's as contagious as the chicken pox. And while most children will recover from getting COVID, some will not. And in fact, those some are having to be hospitalized. Many develop severe complications like MIS-C, which stands for multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. That causes inflammation of their body, including their heart. Oftentimes, they're put into intensive care, and recovery can last months. Doctors say it's unpredictable which children will need to be hospitalized with COVID.
Now, some of the kids who do have underlying medical conditions like asthma, they may be a little more likely to end up in the hospital, but a lot of the kids that we're seeing in the hospital were totally healthy to start with. So it would never have been predicted that they would be one of the ones ending up in the hospital when they did.
Now, not knowing which child will get that serious when it comes to COVID should make parents cautious, say doctors. They recommend and urge parents that even though a lot of the school districts are not having a mask mandate in place, teach your children to wear a mask throughout the school day. Make them part of the process in choosing the mask and make sure it's one that fits comfortably. Now, that meeting is happening later today, 1 p.m. Hillsborough County School Board. They're going to be talking about ways to mitigate this rise in COVID cases. We'll have full coverage right here on News Channel 8. Reporting live in Tampa, Marco Villarreal, 8 on your side.